So look, another dope product from Anker. Look what this says right here. Can you see this? It says, the world's #1 mobile charging brand. So this is a Series 6 675 docking station, 12-in-1 docking station. But I pointed that verbiage out simply because when most companies say that, I don't know if you can trust them. But I went on the Anker site, check this out. And my dog's here, he hear me talking, so he wanna be all loud. So I went on the Anker website and I scrolled down the list. You got your Anker Solix F200, so that's like a little generator right there. You have a cooler that powers stuff wirelessly, wired, everything. You have your office stations, you have your Anker GAN power, you have your different power banks. Like I said, again, you have your office stations, office charging stations, and your docking solutions. Anker Nano 3 lineup, you got your cables and stuff like that. Yo, they might be onto something when they saying the world's #1 mobile charging brand. I don't know. They might be right about this one.
Want to see some love? It's Love Day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
So you can pick this up on the Anker website or the Amazon website. As always, I'll put the links in the description down below. You can pick this up for $200. It only comes in one color, which is this dark gray color. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this and show you all the contents on the inside of the box. So open this up. You go ahead and just dump all this stuff out of here. It's easier that way. There's nothing else in the box. Okay, so you have an accessory box right here. All right, people, so here is the charging station right here. Let me go ahead and set that right here and get into these cables really quickly. You have your quick start guide right here on top, a user manual, 180 watts power block, USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable, and then you have the other part of the power cable and some cable management ties. That's nice, Anker, I like that. Here are all the ports you get right here. You got USB Type-C port, DC power in port. You have a couple of USB Type-A 3.2 Gen 2 ports, Ethernet port, HDMI, micro SD card slot, audio in, audio out, a regular SD card slot, LED, and power button. Qi wireless charging pad right here. You have cable management on the back side. Underneath, you do have some more cable management. The Anker 675 USB Type-C docking station is a practical dock with a monitor stand that can help you organize your desk and make your work life easier. The Anker 675 docking station is compatible with Microsoft Windows 10 and 11, Mac OS 10.14 and later, and Chrome OS. And so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put power to this. I got my laptop and another screen right behind me. Come back and see how this thing actually works. All right, people, I apologize. I probably should have thought this out a little bit better. I probably should have did it over at my desk and not this air, because I just don't have enough space, but forgive me. Just imagine this being a regular monitor, if you will. You plug the, what did I do back here? So the USB Type-C port underneath here, the cable plugs into that port and goes into your computer right here. So I have a HDMI port up to a USB Type-C cable. That's how this is getting power. So as you can see, these are both connected. You can turn all this with the power on, power off. It'll cut everything off. So that is pretty dope. And also you have this wireless charging pad right here. So you set your phone down or whatever device you have down, it'll start charging. Imagine this being your monitor. This is your computer, laptop, tower, whatever over here. You'll be good money. Very, very nice 12-in-1 docking station. Remember when I said this at the beginning of the video, the world's #1 mobile charging brand?
Aha! Aha! Want to see some love? It's Love Day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.